Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you are all staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones that I want you to focus on are your eagle eye, and that is when we look at pictures to help us with a word, and your stretchy snake, and that is when we look at the letters in the word and we stretch out the sounds. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Ready? Cracker. K-r-a-k-er. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's have a go all together. Cracker. K-r-a-k-er. Good job. Well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called A Pony for a Day. So, boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. A Pony for a Day. Hello, Cracker. Ella was at a riding school. She was very excited. She was going to ride a pony and look after it all day, but which one? Meg showed her Cracker. His coat was brown and white. He had a black mane. A pony can be up to 148 centimetres high, from the ground to the top of its back. Hello, Ella. I'm a bit muddy. Grooming. Cracker needs to be groomed. Ella brushed the mud off of Cracker's coat. It was hard work. Meg showed her how to scrape the mud out of Cracker's foot. That was hard work too, but Ella wanted to have a go. A dandy brush to rub off the mud and a hoof-pick to clean the feet. Wool. The hard outside covering of the hoof. There's the sole. And the frog is the soft part of the foot. You don't want to touch that. Ready to go. Ella couldn't wait to ride Cracker. She helped put on his bridle and saddle. She did up the girth under his tummy. Cracker was ready to ride. Here's our saddle. This part is the girth. And here is the bridle that goes on the horse's head. Follow my leader. Ella put on a hard hat. She was ready to ride. In the arena, Meg helped Ella to mount. She felt really high up. Other children were on riding ponies too. First they walked around in a circle. Then they steered around some cones. Cracker knocked one over. When you ride, you must wear a hard hat. This can usually be borrowed at the riding school. You might also wear joppers, gloves, t-shirt, jumper and a jacket. Feeding time. By the end of the morning, Ella felt very hungry. Before she had lunch, she helped to fill a hay net for Cracker. He was hungry too. There you are, Cracker. Ponies mostly eat fresh grass or hay, brackets, dried grass. Ponies always need water in their stable or out in the field. Ride away. After lunch, everyone set off down the lane. They rode along a track and over a stream. Ella and Cracker liked splashing through the water. On the way back, a car driver wanted to get past. Meg steered Cracker to the side of the lane. If drivers are careful when they pass you, always smile and nod to say thank you. Goodbye, Cracker. When they arrived back at the riding school, Ella helped to take off Cracker's bridle and saddle. She gave Cracker a big hug and a carrot. What a day! It was the best day of her life. Thank you, Cracker. When you give your pony a carrot, always hold your hand flat. Goodbye, Ella. See you come back soon. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it, or down here On Oxford Owl, you had the play button. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to do another word search, and all you need to do is just click on the link that I will post in your portfolio, and it will come up looking like this. To enter the word search, just enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you press start, and you need to find all of these words here. Once you're finished, don't forget to send me a picture. Enjoy and have fun.